All these can do anything. Hey, hello fellow YouTubers, I am the Geek Grandemian, and today I'll be showing you, I'll attempt some fidget spinner tricks. Here we go. So, if you didn't know what a fidget spinner was, it's just this little toy that you spin around if you're like nervous or bored or just want to play with it. And it helps if you have like ADD, ADHD, autism, other things, and yeah. And if you don't see it correctly, this is actually silver, but the reflection is kind of black. So let's get to this. So the first thing I'll try to do is the easiest one is just on one phone. So, yeah. Okay, I'm doing it. Yes, I'm doing it. Okay. Yeah, so it's not really that hard. So different fingers, that's easy. Alright, next one. This one, that's what we're gonna try and smell and touch it. So let's see if we can move it. Okay. Try it. Okay. Okay. Yeah. That one's really, okay. Let's see. No. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so I'm doing now. Next one. We're gonna see if we can do it. So, I've got my toe ready, and let's try this. Okay, so I can do this. Yeah. Oh, okay. So yeah. Nope. Okay. No. Wait. Yeah, boy. Okay, next one. This one I'm gonna try and spin on my foot. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I'm doing it. Yes. I succeeded that's two. That's 2 for 4 right there. That's 1/2. Alright, next one. Okay, so next one is gonna be on our patella, which is our knee if you didn't know. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Yay! Okay. So this is more wins than losses. This is good. Okay. Yeah, moving it. Yeah, boy. Alright, next one. Next one is going to be really hard. I don't even know if I can do it. It's the 2-finger spin. Alright, let's try this. 1, 2, 3. I'm doing it. Yeah! Alright, so that's all I could think of. And subscribe to my channel, and let's try and get this video to 3 likes, because this is my first video. And like to give some shout outs to my director, Layla, my mom for letting me have this YouTube channel, and some friends, Ethan and Judah. You should check out their sites. Judah is Fistopane Gaming. He's a really good friend of mine, and Nerdception Savage, that is my friend Ethan. And okay. Bye.